Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're super excited to take you through our latest launch with One Thing. We always have a lot in store, so do subscribe for the best beauty updates right here in your pocket. Starting off with a much-awaited ingredient, the Hounia Cordata Foaming Cleanser. This gentle gel-based cleanser brings you the pore-clearing benefits of the original toner extract, but with some added perks. It also contains PHA in the form of mild salicylic acid and PHA in the form of gluconolactone that help exfoliate dead skin, unclog your pores, and keep the heat, bumps, and acne away. If you have sensitive skin, you will love the gentle foam that cleanses super easily and keeps your skin moisturized. Plus, the cleanser contains actual leaves from the Hounia plant that immediately dissolve on your skin but boost the effects of the product. The perfect cleanser to use throughout the year for any skin type. The goodness of Hounia doesn't end there. One Thing has also launched 4 serums with their best-selling ingredients, and Hounia kicks off this serum list. Formulated with a concentrated Hounia extract, leaves, and extremely hydrating and patented hyaluronic acid, the serum is the perfect solution for dehydrated skin with acne or clogged pores. It plumps your skin and adds that nice glass skin glow while helping reduce the excess oiliness, breakouts, and skin texture over time. All the serums also come in a giant 80 ml bottle, so they will last for a while. You can also pair the Hunia Serum with the cleanser and their toner for best results. Then comes the Centella Asiatica Serum. It's a mild serum with original Centella leaves, super Centella complex, and hyaluronic acid to calm redness and hydrate your skin. It's made using only pure locally grown Centella, and the concentration of the extract helps provide quick relief for acne, redness, irritation, and inflamed skin. So if you have any painful pimples or if your skin is sensitive to touch, the Centella Serum can help calm your skin down super fast. In order to also deliver the natural benefits of the plant to your skin, One Thing uses a technology that involves the whole plant. So when the plant leaves that are in the serum are gently rolled and massaged into the skin, they get quickly absorbed and deliver maximum skin benefits directly. This maximizes how effective the serum is in soothing and nourishing your skin. For all the green tea users, the Green Tea Serum provides gentle care and deep hydration, especially for aging skin, as it is made with the original green tea leaves, skin-firming rice ferment filtrate, and hyaluronic acid to strengthen your skin barrier and hydrate your skin. It again uses only pure, locally grown green tea leaves, and the serum takes gentle care of your dryness, fine lines, and elasticity to help you achieve that nice, plump, glowing skin. Rice ferment filtrate also helps your skin regain its super plump, bright look. If you're looking for a serum that helps with dullness and pigmentation, the One Thing Tangerine Serum is the perfect addition to your routine. Formulated with citrus unshu peel extract and niacinamide, it targets uneven skin tone and adds a really nice healthy glow to your face. Plus, if you're sensitive to strong vitamin C, AHA, or any potent brightening ingredients, and trying a gentle alternative like this one might be the solution. Using only pure locally grown tangerines, this serum reduces uneven skin tone and repairs your skin barrier. The brightening serum uses 16,000 parts per million of tangerine peel extract, which is rich in skin-boosting carotenoids, protects against UV damage, and regulates melanin, fading away dark spots and blemishes. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one.